so sorry, everybody. Hello, it is me, Claude, your favorite professor. Sorry. Anyway, I must tell you a story today. Yes, about 3 brave men. Yes, and these men have very funny names. Oh, yes. Anyway, remember how God's people were taken away to the country of Babylon. Do you remember that? Yes! The king of that country had a very long name. His name was Nebuchadnezzar. Can you say his name? Nebuchadnezzar. I couldn't say it when I was a young camel. No, but now I can say it. Nebuchadnezzar, Nebuchadnezzar. Anyway, there were 3 young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, and they worked for King Nebuchadnezzar. Yes! But one day the king wanted them to bow down and worship a golden idol. Oh no! They wouldn't do it. No, they love God, not this golden idol. So the king told his soldiers to put all 3 men into a red, hot, fiery furnace. Oh, doubly no! This is not good at all, people! Guess what, though? The men in the furnace, they didn't burn. They didn't burn up at all. God sent someone to protect them. Yes, they trusted God, and God loved them, and God protected them. And the king was astonished. He was amazed when he saw 4 people walking in the furnace. He told Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego immediately to come out. Wow, King said, your God is amazing. From that moment onward, the king made a brand new law. Yes, the king made a new law. It said no one should say anything bad about God ever again. God is lovely, you see. Yes, God is lovely and we should trust him, just like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And now King Nebuchadnezzar. Oh no! King Nebuchadnezzar. Oh dear! I can't say it now. King Neb. Yeah! Anyway, I must go. Okay. Oh, sorry!